Hello, good morning, students. Welcome to you again in this online chemistry class. Now, on yesterday, we have discussed about the introduction part as well as some sort of phenomenons like adsorption, adsorbent, adsorbate, desorption, sorption, occlusion, and absorption. So, we have discussed all these on yesterday, and further, we have discussed what is positive and negative adsorption. After that, we have discussed some sort of factors which affects the adsorption of gases on the solids. Now, in the second part of this unit, we will discuss the types of adsorption, types of adsorption. Now, on the basis of adsorption of gases on solids, firstly, the scientist has studied the adsorption of gases on the solids. So, on the basis of the adsorption of gases on the solids, the adsorption is classified into two types. The first type is physical adsorption, or it is also called as the van der Waals absorption, van der Waals adsorption, and sometimes in simply it is also called as physioadsorption. Physioadsorption. Now, second type of adsorption is chemical adsorption. Or sometimes called as the Langmuir adsorption by the name of the scientist, Langmuir adsorption, or it is also called as chemisorption. So, on the basis of the adsorption of gases on solids, adsorption can be classified into two types, that is the physical adsorption or van der Waals adsorption or physioadsorption, and the second type is chemical adsorption or Langmuir adsorption or chemisorption. Now, we will discuss both these type of adsorption one by one. So, simply firstly, we will discuss physioadsorption, and then after it we will discuss chemisorption, or also called as the chemical adsorption or Langmuir adsorption. Now, what do you mean by physical adsorption and what do you mean by chemical adsorption? Okay, physical adsorption, when a gas gets adsorbed on the surface of the adsorbent such as a solid, and there is a formation of the physical forces, that is the weak van der Waals forces of attraction between the gas and the solids, then such type of adsorption is called as a physical adsorption or a van der Waals adsorption or simply physioadsorption. Okay, means if there is a formation of the weak van der Waals forces of attraction between the adsorbate and the adsorbent during the adsorption of a gas on the surface of the solid, then such type of adsorption is called as physioadsorption. Means in physioadsorption there is no formation of any chemical bond between the adsorbate and the adsorbent. There is only weak van der Waals forces of attraction. Such type of adsorption is called physioadsorption. Okay. Now we will discuss some characteristics of the physical adsorption. Characteristics of physioadsorption. The characteristics which you will study in the physioadsorption, just take the reciprocals in their chemisorption. Okay. So, the first characteristics of physioadsorption is physical change. Means whenever any gas gets adsorbed, by these names you can understand. Physical change means whenever a gas gets adsorbed on the surface of the adsorbent, there is only the physical change taking place. Means no chemical compound is formed in that case. On the physical change means the identity of the substance remains the same. So that is the physical change is there. Second characteristics of this type of adsorption is very important again, non-specific in nature. ये physioadsorption होता है ये हमेशा नॉन स्पेसिफिक मीन्स in physioabsorption there is a formation of the van der Waals forces between the adsorbate and the adsorbent, and we know the van der Waals forces are the universal forces. Means any gas can physically adsorb on any adsorbent, but there is a difference in their extent of adsorption. Means जो physioabsorption होता है it is highly non-specific in nature. In physioabsorption a particular gas has no you can say no this philicity or no this interaction, no preference for a particular adsorbent. Any gas gets adsorbed on the surface of an adsorbent. Means the physioabsorption होता है is highly non-specific in nature. Third characteristic is nature of the adsorbate. Nature of the adsorbate. Nature of the adsorbate. जो physioabsorption होता है आपने कल भी पढ़ा था कि जो हाईली लिक्विफेबल गैसेज हैं, जो गैसेज हाईली वाटर सॉल्युबल हैं, दे गेट्स एब्जॉर्ब टू द ग्रेटर एक्सटेंट देन दोज गैसेज विच आर नॉट इजीली लिक्विफेबल एंड नॉट दे आर वाटर सॉल्युबल. मीन्स जो physioabsorption होता है इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ द एब्जॉर्बेड. मीन्स हाईली लिक्विफेबल गैसेज गेट्स एब्जॉर्ब टू द ग्रेटर एक्सटेंट एज कंपेयर टू दोज विच आर नॉट हाईली लिक्विफेबल. नंबर 4 रिवर्सिबल नेचर. जो physioabsorption है it is reversible in nature. Reversible nature means whenever any gas gets physically adsorbed on the surface of the adsorbent, and there is a formation of the weak van der Waals forces of attraction between the adsorbent and the adsorbate, and if we want to now dissolve that gas from the surface of the adsorbent, it can be done either by heating the substance or by decreasing the pressure. Means जो physioabsorption होता है it can be reversed. Means when the adsorption takes place at the same time desorption also takes place. Means को जो physioabsorption होता है it is reversible in nature. Number fifth characteristic is reversible nature. Then fifth characteristic is no activation energy. No activation energy, or sometimes we say low activation energy. You know, in physioabsorption, this is a formation of the weak van der Waals forces of attraction, and these forces of attraction do not require any activation energy. Now, what is activation energy? We will discuss all these things in your chemical kinetics unit. But activation energy means it do not require any sort of activation energy or very low activation energy. Why? Because these van der Waals forces of attraction can be formed under ordinary conditions. There is no such type of conditions are required which are required in case of that chemisorption. So it has low activation energy because it has just van der Waals force of attraction, and these are the universal forces. And sixth characteristic is unimolecular layer of adsorption. Multimolecular layer of adsorption. Multimolecular layer of adsorption. जो physioabsorption होता है means whenever any gas gets adsorbed on the surface of the adsorbent physically, it lead to the formation of one layer. Now similarly the other gas can also be adsorbed on that one layer. Means जो physioabsorption होता है it can be multimolecular layer of adsorption होता है. ये एड्सॉर्बेंट है, लेट्स सपोज ये एड्सॉर्बेंट है, इसके ऊपर आपने किसी गैस को एड्सॉर्ब करवा दिया और एक लेयर बन गई. अब उस लेयर के ऊपर आप उसकी दूसरी लेयर भी बना सकते हो, तीसरी लेयर भी बना सकते हो, एंड such type of layers are formed on the surface. Why? Because in gases again we know there are weak van der Waals forces of attraction, so that means such type of forces can be formed over one layer over other. Okay, seventh characteristic is low enthalpy of adsorption. Low enthalpy of adsorption. जो physioabsorption होता है, since in physioabsorption again there is a weak van der Waals forces of attraction between the adsorbate and the adsorbent, no chemical bond is there. Therefore the physioabsorption, since these are the weakest forces, van der Waals forces are the weakest forces, therefore in their case lesser amount of heat is released. जब लेसर अमाउंट ऑफ हीट रिलीज होगी तो हम कहेंगे कि इसकी जो एंथैल्पी ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन है इट इज वेरी वेरी स्मॉल, एंड द रेंज इज ऑलमोस्ट 20 to 40 किलोजूल पर मोल. 20 to 40 kilojoule per mole is the range of this physioabsorption. Next factor you can say that is the surface area of the adsorbent. Surface area of the adsorbent. Surface area of the adsorbent means with increase in surface area of the adsorbent, physical absorption also increases. So this is the, so these are the 8 factors of 8 characteristics of the physioabsorption. Now we will shift towards the chemiabsorption. Just you have studied in physioabsorption, take the rest proper in chemiabsorption. Okay, now firstly we will discuss what is chemiabsorption. Chemiabsorption is also called as Langmuir adsorption or simply chemical adsorption. So what is chemical adsorption? When a gas that is adsorbate gets adsorbed on the surface of the solid adsorbent by the formation of a chemical bond. Chemical bond means either by the formation of this covalent or the ionic bond. Such type of adsorption is called as chemiabsorption or chemical adsorption or Langmuir adsorption. And whenever a chemical bond is formed between the adsorbate and the adsorbent, a new compound is formed, and that sometimes that compound we know that is called as the surface compound. Such as called as surface compound means in chemiabsorption there is a formation of the new compound that is called surface compound. Okay. Now what are the characteristics of the chemiabsorption? The first characteristics of the chemiabsorption is in physioabsorption it was physical change, in it is a chemical change. Means whenever the chemiabsorption takes place, a new compound is formed. Means the chemical change occurs, the identity of substance changes, a new substance is formed. In that case means it involves a chemical change. Second characteristic is it was non-specific in nature, now highly specific. Chemiabsorption जो होता है it is highly specific in nature, means highly specific in nature. दिस मीन्स दैट फिजिकली तो हमने देखा कि कोई भी गैस किसी भी एड्सॉर्बेंट के ऊपर फिजिकली एड्सॉर्ब हो जाती है. वाई? क्योंकि इन दोनों के बीच में वीक वैंडरवाल फोर्सेज है, और जो वैंडरवाल फोर्सेज होती हैं दीज आर द यूनिवर्सल फोर्सेज, वो हर एक चीज़ में डेवलप हो जाती है. बट चेमिजॉर्प्शन जो हुआ वो हर एक केस में पॉसिबल नहीं है. एक पर्टिकुलर गैस किसी भी पर्टिकुलर एड्सॉर्बेंट पर केमिकली हर एक बार एड्सॉर्ब नहीं हो जाएगी. मीन्स चेमिजॉर्प्शन जो होता है इट इज़ हाईली स्पेसिफिक इन नेचर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, oxygen can adsorb only on those adsorbents with which it has a tendency to form their oxides. Similarly, the hydrogen gas, it gets adsorbed on the surface of only those adsorbents such as transition metals with which it has a tendency to form its hydrides. Means oxygen जैसे अगर आप बात करेंगे metals की या carbon की, तो means oxygen mostly carbon और metals के ऊपर ही एब्जॉर्ब होती है. वाई? क्योंकि उन्हीं के साथ होकर ऑक्साइड फॉर्मेशन के चांसेस है. ऑक्सीजन बाकी दूसरे सब्सटेंसेस के ऊपर एब्जॉर्ब होगी बट टू अ वेरी स्मॉल एक्सटेंट, लेकिन वो ऑक्सीजन केमिकली उन्हीं एब्जॉर्बेंट के ऊपर एब्जॉर्ब होगी विद विच इट हैज ए टेंडेंसी टू फॉर्म देयर ऑक्साइड्स. Similarly, hydrogen gets adsorbed only on those adsorbents such as transition metals with which it can form their hydrides. Therefore, we can say the chemiabsorption is highly specific in nature. It do not always takes place under ordinary conditions. Means okay. Third characteristic is nature of the adsorbate. Now again nature of the adsorbate. Nature of the adsorbate just we have studied. Chemiabsorption will takes place only when there is a chance of the formation of the chemical bond between the adsorbate and the adsorbent. It do not takes place we can say in all the conditions. Whenever there is the chance of formation of a chemical bond between the adsorbate and adsorbent, then only the chemical adsorption will take place. Fourth characteristic is irreversible in nature. Very very important characteristics, irreversible in nature. जो chemiabsorption होता है it is highly irreversible in nature. एक बार कोई भी गैस केमिकली किसी एड्सॉर्बेंट के ऊपर एड्सॉर्ब हो गई और उन दोनों के बीच में केमिकल बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन हो जाती है, उसके बाद आप उस गैस को डिसॉल्व नहीं करवा सकते. अगर उसको आप डिसॉल्व करवाने की कोशिश करेंगे तो वो गैस डिसॉल्व नहीं होगी, बट साथ में वो कुछ ना कुछ अपने कंपाउंड को भी साथ में डिसॉल्व करवा लेती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आप बात करेंगे ऑक्सीजन की, ऑक्सीजन को जब आप टंगस्टन और कार्बन के ऊपर एड्सॉर्ब करवाते हैं, लेट्स सपोज ऑक्सीजन को जब आप टंगस्टन और कार्बन के ऊपर एड्सॉर्ब करवाएंगे और अब आप चाह रहे हैं कि हमने उसको डिसॉल्व करवाना है, तो अब ऑक्सीजन डिसॉल्व नहीं होगी बट इट इज डिसॉल्व एज टंगस्टन ऑक्साइड डिसॉल्व होगा या कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. मीन्स अपने साथ वो कुछ ना कुछ कार्बन को भी ले जाएगी, अकेली सिंगल ऑक्सीजन डिसॉर्ब नहीं होगी. So that's why we say chemisorption is highly irreversible in nature. Means only the adsorbed gas cannot be dissolved. It can dissolved in the by the some sort of compounds with it. So means chemisorption is highly irreversible in nature. And why it happens so? Because there was a formation of the chemical bond between the adsorbate and the adsorbent. Okay, next is fifth case is it was no activation energy, it has high activation energy. जो chemisorption होता है, chemisorption में आप अभी देखा कि it do not takes place at low temperature, it takes place at high temperature. High temperature पे होता है, why? Because at high temperature only there is the formation of the chemical bond between the adsorbate and the adsorbent. Under ordinary condition chemisorption do not takes place. Why? Because in this type of adsorption there is a formation of the chemical bond between the adsorbate and the adsorbent, and there are certain conditions under which the chemical bond formation takes place. Okay, so means जो chemisorption होता है with increase in temperature it increases. Why? Because जो adsorbate के जो molecules हैं they require some sort of energy that is called activation energy to get adsorbed on the surface of adsorbent. और एक बार उन adsorbate के molecules ने activation energy acquire कर ली adsorb होने के लिए, उसके बाद भी अगर आप temperature increase करते जाओगे then it starts dissolving. So we can say that जो chemisorption होता है firstly it increases with increasing temperature and after some times it starts decreasing with further increase in temperature. Why? Because in the beginning the chemisorption requires the activation energy, and this activation energy can be acquired only when we increase the temperature. But once the adsorbate molecule have acquired a required amount of activation energy and still we are just increasing the temperature, after that it starts decreasing. Okay, so means chemisorption takes place and it requires high activation energy. Sixth case is unimolecular layer of adsorption, because unimolecular layer of adsorption जो chemisorption होता है, एक बार कोई भी गैस केमिकली एड्जॉर्ब हो जाती है एड्जॉर्बेंट के सरफेस के ऊपर और उन दोनों के बीच में केमिकल बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन हो गई, उसके बाद आप दूसरी लेयर को एड्जॉर्ब नहीं करवा सकते. वाई? क्योंकि जो केमिकल बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन होती है वो एक बार ही होगी और वो हो चुकी है. नाउ द सेकंड लेयर कैन नॉट बी फॉर्म्ड ऑन द फर्स्ट लेयर. मींस वी कैन से द chemisorption इज यूनिमोलिकुलर लेयर टाइप ऑफ यूनिमोलिकुलर लेयर ऑफ एड्जॉर्प्शन. नेक्स्ट वन इज हाई एंथैल्पी ऑफ एड्जॉर्प्शन. हाई एंथैल्पी ऑफ एड्जॉर्प्शन जो chemisorption होता है, since we have seen that there is a formation of the chemical bond between the adsorbate and the adsorbent, means and we know the chemical bonds are the stronger bonds होते हैं. therefore जो उनकी एंथैल्पी ऑफ एड्जॉर्प्शन होगी, हीट ऑफ एड्जॉर्प्शन होगी, इट इज वेरी हाई एंड द रेंज लाइज बिटवीन 200 to 400 किलोजूल पर मोल. 200 to 400 मींस यहाँ पे 20 to 40 था, बस आपने एक जीरो और लगा देने. 200 to 400 किलोजूल पर मोल. So the last point is surface area of the adsorbent. Surface area of the adsorbent. Adsorbent का surface area. So same as that in case of physical adsorption. Surface area of the adsorbent, जितना surface area adsorbent का ज़्यादा होगा उतना chemisorption भी ज़्यादा होता है. So these are the characteristics of the physical as well as the chemical adsorption. Now you can see the difference lies between these two is physical change. Chemisorption is chemical change, non-specific, it is highly specific. Nature of adsorbate same. Reversible nature, it is irreversible nature. No activation energy or sometimes low activation energy. But chemisorption requires high activation energy. It was multimolecular layer of adsorption, it was unimolecular layer of adsorption, and it is a has low enthalpy of adsorption, it has high enthalpy of adsorption. And surface area in both the cases same. Means दोनों surface area के साथ इंक्रीज करते हैं. जितना एड्जॉर्बेंट का सरफेस एरिया ज़्यादा होगा उतना फिजिकल और केमिकल एड्जॉर्प्शन दोनों ज़्यादा होता है. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द फिजिकल एज वेल एज द केमिकल एड्जॉर्प्शन. सिमिलैरिटी दोनों के बीच में यही है, प्रेशर के साथ दोनों इंक्रीज करते हैं, सरफेस एरिया के साथ दोनों इंक्रीज करते हैं, दोनों तरह के एड्जॉर्प्शन एक्सोथर्मिक होते हैं. These are the some sort of similarities between the. Sometimes the question is asked, what is the similarity between the physical and chemisorption? So similarities: surface area, एंथैल्पी ऑफ एडजॉर्प्शन, दोनों में एक्सोथर्मिक होते हैं दोनों, और प्रेशर के साथ दोनों इंक्रीज करते हैं. सो दीज आर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ similarities between these two type of adsorptions. Okay, so it is all about the types of adsorption. Thank you.